Hey Happy Bees, it's Amanda, and this week we're going to make this cute little snowy owl that I copied from a picture that my daughter drew. So to start out, we're going to make a log for our owl to sit on. I'm using some chocolate modelling paste here. I've rolled it into a sausage shape, and as you can see I've made a slit in one side. Just going to use a knife to create some texture. I'm going with some edible chocolate and gold dust. I've put some links in the description below for everything that I'm using in this video if you want to have a go at creating this little guy at home. Once you've dusted your log, sprinkle some flour over the top of it to make it look like snow. Use a teardrop piece of modelling paste to create a body for your little owl, and some white modelling paste for a tummy. Use some embroidery scissors and a knife to fur out that wee tummy. And for the feet you're going to use 2 teardrop pieces of modelling paste and create 3 claws. Secure the body now onto the log using a skewer and 2 teardrop pieces of modelling paste to create wings. Use a large piece of oval modelling paste now to create the head for our owl, and again using your embroidery scissors go round the outside to create a furry effect. Now you're going to use an oval piece of white modelling paste and kind of shape it into a sort of heart shape, if that makes sense. Place it over the top of the face and use a large ball tool to create eye sockets. We're going to fill in those eye sockets with the same colour of modelling paste that we used for the feet. And using a circle cutter and some black modelling paste, you're going to create some pupils. Don't forget to add some white dots for catch lights. And a little upside down triangle for the beak. This cake topper was for my daughter's baby animal's birthday cake, so if you click on that Happy Bee Cakes bubble you'll see loads more where this came from. See you next time guys, bye!